In this video, I will show you how to navigate the RealmJoin Application Store, and we'll take a look at the various subscription options. The navigation menu is on the left, and clicking on the shopping cart will take you to the package store. As you can see, there are over 1,500 packages available, covering the most common requirements. Packages are added and updated proactively. However, customers can also request them on demand. As an example, let's click on the Adobe Acrobat Reader. And here we got the overview of the application, the subscription options, and at the bottom of the page, we got the technical help. The RealmJoin store contains two types of subscription methods, Intune and RealmJoin. All application packages available as Intune Win for Intune-driven deployments and as RealmJoin packages for RealmJoin agent-driven deployments. In addition, both subscription methods contain managed and basic packages. Managed subscription contain the management of the application groups, while basic packages can be assigned to any groups or users. At the bottom of the screen, you will find the technical help section where there are additional deployment options available, such as language packs. Now I'm going to subscribe to Adobe Reader as Intune Managed. By clicking this button, it will subscribe the package, and before I continue, I will change the name of the package to German. Click Save and continue. The Intune Win package will be uploaded to the Azure Tenant. As this was a managed package, the relevant groups have been created and the group name reflects the earlier name change. After the page refreshes, you will see the groups have been created. This concludes the package subscription and deployment of Adobe Reader.